Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do watercolor artwork. So this sketch actually I made few days before and I couldn't get time to finish it. Usually I draw some artwork and keep it aside, and whenever I get time I finish it. And before finishing it I just decide what material I'm gonna use for my sketch. And for this sketch I'm gonna use watercolor with minimum tonal values. So why I'm using minimum tonal values? So basically this video I'm making for the beginners, and also sometimes you don't need too many tonal values, and especially working with watercolor, it works with watercolor very well. It just gives you some blurry dreamy effect sometimes. So just watch. As you can see, before applying color to my sketch, I wet the paper first with clean water. This technique helps the color to spread softly. People use watercolor directly on dry paper as well, but for the sharp edges and good control. Whenever you use this kind of method, what I am using in this artwork, that just gives you nice result, but at the same time you are losing some control. You will see so many accidents happen, and after some time you will figure it out and able to control well. I'm trying to add values or color to the shadows and mid-tones. I decided my light source is situated around screen laptop of the side. So accordingly, I'm just adding color to the shadows and mid-tones. I want to show my line art more prominent, so that I am using this red ball pen. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.